messy my room is because I just unpacked everything and I gave Madeline a little thrift haul, and I also got like a package from Urban Outfitters, so that is all on the ground. Even though I cleaned my room right before I left, it's back to being messy. So Madeline found this taco place that's like this chain, and they're doing like endless free tacos today, so we wanted to go check that out. But then right after, we're gonna go to our friend's house. It was actually our old house, if you guys remember, where we used to live. 4 of our friends moved in after us, so we're going back to our old place, and we're gonna go watch the Bachelor finale, which I'm really excited about. I actually watched so there's a 2-part episode. It was on Monday, and then today's Tuesday, and I just watched the Monday episode on the plane, and I'm all caught up, and I'm really excited to find out who he picks, what's going on. Apparently it's a very controversial, never been done kind of finale, so I'm really excited to watch it, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on it afterwards. But we're gonna go get some tacos. It's like 6 o'clock right now. Literally, I've been traveling all day. Like, I left this morning at 8 a.m. and I didn't touch down until like 3, and there's like a 3-hour time difference. So really, I've been traveling all day. I'm so exhausted. I just drank a cup of coffee, and I don't know why I'm holding this. It was in my pocket, but yeah, that's that. We're gonna go get some tacos now. Also, I came home to this right here. Madeline had this all arranged because, okay, I don't think I ever told you guys this story. So basically, when we moved into this place, we couldn't find any of our Tupperware, and we're very like, we were proud of our Tupperware, honestly. Like, we both had a collection, and then we, you know, brought it over here. So basically, we moved in, and Madeline kept asking about like where the Tupperware was, and I kept being like, oh, you know, it's gonna show up. We haven't unpacked everything. I had like 2 boxes that I'd never unpacked. It took me a while, and I was like, oh, it's probably at the bottom, it's fine. And then I finally unpacked them, and I'm like, oh yeah, they're not in here. And we didn't know where they were, and we still don't know where they are. I always gave her a hard time. I'm like, Madeline, they're here. Where would they go? But they never showed up, so she bought some new ones.
We lost Tupperware in the move.
Yeah, let me know if you guys have ever lost anything in a move, because it's really weird. It's like, where would it go? Also, Madeline made some vegan lemon bars. Check it out on her Instagram page.
It will be linked
right here. They are so good. I've had them before, and she left me a little sample. It's made with like, is it 1 banana?
Yeah, 1 banana,
some lemons. There's a crust.
Pretty easy.
Also, since we're doing a little haul thing, Banza, my favorite ever pasta company, because it's made with chickpeas, so it's not very heavy. This has been my favorite like pasta substitute for the longest time. And they sent me a few little goodies, so I'm gonna make something with these sometime. So stay tuned. All right, the place is called El Pollo Loco. I kind of forgot the name of it, but the line doesn't look very long, so I think because it's been raining, you know, people have been staying home. So we are in luck. Look at this. Oh, Madeline's making a TikTok. How many tacos are you gonna get?
Like 3 or 4. How many are you gonna have?
I have like 2. I Postmated Panera when I was in my Uber coming back home because I was starving. Literally felt fatigued. So I'm not like that hungry, but I'm definitely going to participate in free tacos.
Oh, tell them what happened. They're placing it.
Oh. Okay, so one of the workers saw that we were filming, and he said he was gonna bring us some special tacos. She's TikToking, I'm filming this video, and he's like, we're gonna bring you some special tacos. Wow. Guys, they brought us t-shirts. Check out my taco pack. Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Every time, pull hard.
I'm glad that didn't break the glass.
Oh my gosh, can you imagine?
Look at these little planes for Pilot Pete. This is the cutest thing ever.
It's okay, you're totally like,
Wait, who did you make these, Alex?
we all did.
Oh, I love it.
Mom's idea. It just happened to us.
Thank you.
Okay,
Cheers.
so cheers.
All right, so it's the next day and I just wanted to share my thoughts on the finale of The Bachelor. So for the most part, this season has been pretty chill. It hasn't been like too controversial or anything like that. But then Barb comes in and just kind of shakes up the whole Bachelor Nation. Like, I don't know, I just feel like her attitude towards her son was not called for at all. I feel like she was being really disrespectful to Madison as well as Peter. Just the whole Barb cam in like the side of the screen was just too much. And as far as the whole outcome of it, I definitely didn't see him with Hannah Ann like long-term working out, so it was probably for the best that they didn't, you know, continue their relationship. And I just felt bad for her in general. Like, I'm sure after watching it back, she's like, oh my gosh, like I was totally second pick for him. But I actually really ended up liking Hannah Ann by the end of everything because she really like stuck to her guns. She was, you know, stood up for herself, and yeah, I thought that was really good. I also don't think Madison and Peter will last. I don't even know if they're together right now. Like, anyways, I just don't think they're gonna last, but yeah, that's my thoughts for the season. I thought it was a pretty good season, but at the same time, it sucks when like the end isn't like resolved, you know? So that part kind of sucked. Excited for the next season. Let me know if you guys are going to be watching Claire's season. I think it'll be good to have an older Bachelorette. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts down below. I'm going to go clean this room because again, it's just so messy. And what else? I think I'm gonna go to the grocery store, kind of get my life back together. After I get back from a trip, I feel like I need to just like go grocery shopping. I need to clean my room. I need to do all these things. So I'm gonna go do that. So I just went to TJ Maxx and I picked up some stuff for the week. Some groceries, that is. So I figured I would go ahead and give you guys a little haul. And yeah, the main reason I went, well, first off, I just got back from Georgia and I needed groceries. And also Carrie and Jessica are coming over tonight and we're gonna have a little wine and cheese night. So I did pick up some cheese and wine. So I'll show you guys that. I'm not a very experienced cheese board maker. I don't think I've maybe made like 1 or 2 in my life, but not really anything crazy. So I didn't really know what to get, but this one is some brie, some double cream brie, cheese haul. And oh, this is no, it's not leaking. It's just I have something on my counter. Never mind. And then I also got some fresh goat cheese with blueberry and vanilla. So this sounds delectable, like so good. I'm so excited. And then the other cheese I got was Boulder cheddar cheese. I think those are the only cheeses I got. I didn't go like crazy, but yeah. And then I got some bananas. We were totally out. This is one of the items that Madeline and I always have like fully stocked. So we didn't have any today, so I was a little bit in panic because normally I make like a smoothie. I figured for the cheese board we could also put some grapes on there. I also got some oranges, some avocados, garlic, and I always like to keep a pasta sauce at hand because I always feel like we use it for certain recipes. This is definitely one of my favorite pasta sauces from Trader Joe's. It's their Arabia. I literally can't pronounce things. This is one of my favorite tomato sauces from Trader Joe's. I also got some eggs, some spinach, and then this is the cracker assortment that I got. There's just 4 different types of crackers. Let me see what it looks like actually. I was meaning to get another one, but actually this should be okay. There's like 4 different types in there, so that should be good. And then for wine, I just got some Sauvignon Blanc and some rosé. And then also for the cheese board, I got this Honeywood smoked Honeywood smoked salami. Thought that would be nice to go on it, as well as some peanut butter cups for a little chocolate, you know, additive, I guess. You can put that on there. Then I also got some lemons. Lastly, I got some basil because Madeline and I made this amazing like tomato basil pasta the other day and it was so good. And yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff away and I need to film a video before they come over. It's like 4:30 right now, I think. Oh, actually it's 5 o'clock. So Carrie is coming over at 7 and then Jessica's coming over a little bit later, but I need to finish cleaning up and film something quick. And then we can probably start on our cheese board once Carrie comes over. I'm really excited. This is what we got so far for our charcuterie board. I'm also TikToking it, so follow me on TikTok. Trying to become famous over here.
Well, your battery's gonna die.
Right now we got Mads.
Your battery's gonna die. Oh no. Bye everyone, I love you so much.
My first ever charcuterie board. Look how cute. And we're gonna pour some wine. Right after I got done filming this for TikTok, I spilled my entire glass. Well, this is what mine is. The things you do for TikTok, man. All right, so I'm on my way to my hair appointment, and I will show you guys what it looks like after. It's like downpouring rain, and somehow I forgot to bring a jacket. Like, it's literally 60 degrees out. I don't know what I was thinking this morning. I do have an umbrella, so that's good, but I'm just like, very spacey this morning. I'm really excited to get my hair darker, but yeah, I should probably go before I die. Okay, bye. Surprise! I am a brunette, and it's short. I don't even like recognize myself anymore. I feel like I look like I did 2 years ago, which I don't know. I feel like I look maybe a little bit younger. Maybe not, I don't really know. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's also a lot shorter, so it's a lot healthier because it was getting really bad there for a little bit. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm pretty happy with it. I will say that I was imagining that I would go darker, but my hairdresser gave me like some options, and this was like the least damaging option. So basically what she did was she just toned my hair. So it was a super quick process, and it didn't cost very much, so that was really cool. But yeah, I didn't realize that you could like tone your blonde hair to be brown. Like that I didn't know. That was kind of a new concept for me. This is actually the next day because I'm the queen of not ending my vlogs and just like doing it the next day. So yeah, I just kind of woke up and wanted to show you guys my new hair. I'm happy to be back to my brunette roots. She did say that this will fade a little bit and it'll get lighter over time, so I will have to keep going back to her and getting it retoned, which is totally fine for me because I want to make sure my hair is in a healthy state, because I do want to eventually like grow my natural hair all the way out and make it like super healthy. Since she did go short like this, I'm like tempted to go even shorter, like a nice long lob is what they call, like a long bob. I think that would be really cute actually, so I might do that. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end off this vlog. I don't even know what this vlog was. I don't know what like the content I got before, honestly, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it off. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.